Fox Weather is your Hurricane HQ, and we are tracking two tropical storms in the eastern Pacific. Boris just recently made landfall within the last hour in Mexico. Cristina is dumping a ton of heavy rain across Central America. So let's get you an update on what we are tracking. We have some video to show you. This is from Mexico City, so it's related with Boris, and it really shows you what heavy rain in a metropolitan area will do. You can tell that they have a city worker trying to clear a drain, folks that are trying to navigate these flooded streets. And when you look at Mexico City, you think about what's going to be happening over the next several weeks. World Cup.
Yeah, a lot of travelers.
Absolutely.
A lot of travelers. That'll be a concern for possible flooding. And if you're not going to the World Cup, are you going to Acapulco? Also, a destination. Getting tons of rain here could lead to localized flooding. Both of these storms that we're watching back to back, and boy, getting their names quickly behind each other. In fact, we usually have the first named storm in the Eastern Pacific by June 10th. Now we're on the third named storm.
Yeah, the C named storm usually happens in July.
Yeah, I mean, we are way ahead of the game.
Which is not a shocker.
No.
It's an El Nino year. We got a lot of heat in the Eastern Pacific, which is why we're seeing the action. That heat will also amplify the intense rain. So with Boris now post-landfall, it's going to rain out. We're talking about several inches of rain in the forecast for Mexico. Cristina is very close to the coast. That will continue to push into El Salvador over the next 24 hours. A lot of that moisture just wringing itself out over Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador, where it will produce that flash flood concern. Still have tropical storm warnings up with Cristina, so that's where we could see some wind gusts that are reaching over 40 miles per hour. Many times this time of year, we watch the Bay of Campeche and also the Northwest Caribbean when we have systems that are making landfall off of the East Pac. Right now does not pose a huge threat. We're going to go into the details, so stay with us if you have interest in that. But the big takeaway is this.
Yeah, that is a lot of rain, a lot of mountains, a lot of areas that are going to be in the valleys, watching for that to go down into those valleys. There's a look. You can see Acapulco on the southern side of where you see Mexico, and then Mexico City on the other side of those mountains, the mountain range there. They're getting ready for World Cup. People who are visiting there, if you haven't gotten there yet and you're going to be traveling there, guess what? You may have some slowdowns trying to get there. Rain is going to be a big problem. They'll have wind at times, and flooding will be a big part of this potentially. So watching that group stage there on Thursday, June 11th. The row is at a medium right now, but I would watch for some possible flooding.